Fear is a powerful emotion that can take hold of us in a moment's notice. It can make our hearts race, our palms sweat, and our bodies feel tense and on edge. But why do we get scared? What is the psychology behind this primal emotion? At its core, fear is a survival mechanism that helps us identify and avoid potential danger. Our brains are wired to detect and respond to threats, triggering the famous fight or flight response that prepares our bodies to either confront the danger or run away from it. The amygdala, a small almond-shaped structure in the brain, plays a critical role in processing emotional information, including fear. When we perceive a threat, the amygdala sends a signal to the hypothalamus, which activates the sympathetic nervous system, triggering the fight or flight response. But fear isn't just about biology. Environmental factors, experiences, beliefs, and cultural influences also play a role. For example, a person who has had a traumatic experience may develop a fear of similar situations or objects. Similarly, a person's cultural upbringing can shape their fears. Our cognitive processes also play a role in fear. Attentional biases, or the tendency to focus on threatening stimuli, can make a person more likely to experience fear. The way we appraise a situation can also influence our level of fear. If we perceive a situation as uncontrollable or unpredictable, we may be more likely to experience fear. While fear can be a useful emotion, it can also be overwhelming and interfere with our daily lives. Understanding the psychology behind fear can help us manage our fears and live more fulfilling lives. By identifying our triggers and learning healthy coping mechanisms, we can overcome our fears and live our lives to the fullest.